First Tennessee has been a client of ours since 2006, and we've had a great relationship with them servicing their server backups. And we discovered that they were trying to implement an in-house desktop solution. They were having a lot of issues with it, and it was not meeting their needs.
The solution wasn't enterprise-wide, it was spotty, so we would hit and miss. And when people had an issue, we wouldn't get it every time. And the second thing is we tried to manage it ourselves, and really it was not a core competency of my group to be able to take those requests, get them prioritized, get them escalated, get the data back out there, get the person on site to help that user get their data loaded. So all those things were just not things that we did well.
We're talking hundreds of branch offices, each with dozens of computers, so thousands of devices that need to be protected. We need an environment that can scale and is easy to manage.
We realized how complex it was and knew right away that the DS mobile client was the perfect fit for their solution. We put together a proposal, and they very quickly realized the value of it.
Scalability was a key driving factor. We have 180 branches all over the state of Tennessee. We're the largest bank in Tennessee. And so for us to serve those different branches in those different geographies is a challenge. There's not enough demand for us to need one person at every location all the time. But there is enough demand that when they need it quickly, and we need to have somebody there. So it was very important to have a partner that could deliver that to those locations very quickly, that could also do that in a very easy to manage way. And one of the things about this Asigra EVS solution is that it's one of these agentless solutions, which is very important to us because it does not require a lot of technology to be deployed in each of those locations. Rather than having a piece of software on every single machine in every location, what we did with this solution is put one piece of software and one machine in each of those locations. It's much easier to manage. Then they manage that whole backup request and delivery process for us. So, I mean, they really made it very easy for us to deliver a much higher quality service at a much lower cost.
Every morning we parse through thousands of logs with EVS's proprietary software. It's integrated with Asigra.
With the EVS tool, we can add 4,000 desktop to our workload without missing a beat, because how simple and easy it is, the interface is to get through.
The two things here for me that are really key. One is the technology is as good as any technology I have ever seen anywhere, and you can't just get that anywhere. You've got to have specialized expertise, and that's where the relationship comes in. And when it all comes down to it, you've got to have a great relationship with your partner, and EVS is that kind of a company with us. They've consistently delivered a high level of quality service, and you really can't go wrong with the company or with the software.